Friends, I am Neeraj Kumar, Director of Umang Project at National E-Governance Division, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India. Before I start the formal presentation of Umang, I would request Shri Abhishek Singh, President and CEO NEGD and MyGov to address us and say a few words.
Umang is a unified mobile interface that offers citizens to access multiple government services which are available online onto a common platform. It gives a common experience, like you download a super app, and with that you get multiple services from across the country, from all central government departments, from state government departments, various bill payment services. More than 20,000 services are available today on the Umang platform. And what you can do is that once you have on your phone, it's customized to show the specific services that is more relevant to you based on your location, based on your profile, and then you can access these services to have a better user interface. What it does is that it solves the maze that the government is, because even when services are online, very often citizens are forced to go from pillar to post or from app to app or portal to portal. Instead of that, one super app called Umang is downloaded, and then citizens are able to access multiple services, whether it's agriculture related services or student related services, scholarships, pensions, or weather related services. So all services at one point. That is what Umang is. So please download Umang and start using it, and tell your near and dear ones also about the wonderful app that the Umang is.
Friends, Umang means Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. The Umang mobile application was dedicated to nation by Honorable Prime Minister on 23rd November 2017 with just 163 services. Here is a short clip of that.
Umang mobile app, which will provide over 100 citizen-centric services. At the back end, these services will be catered for by many different departments of the union and the state governments. This integrated approach will add an automatic layer of peer performance pressure in the working of this department.
The aim of the Umang mobile application was to bring central government services, state government services and municipal services under one mobile application, so that a citizen can just download one mobile application and use various services. Because we had seen that citizens get confused when they have to go through various websites and mobile application. So Umang mobile application enables a citizen to avail any service from the central government service or state government, and in 13 languages. It just requires 30 MB space, and citizens can discover relevant services because we have given a search bar there, and if they want to basically bookmark for frequent use, they can do that. And all the digital locker documents are available on the home page, and a scanner is also made available on the application, so that if you have to apply to a government service, you can just scan a document and upload it. So Umang has reached a level of more than 4.75 crore downloads and 2.5 crore registered users, and daily 25 to 30,000 new users are being added on Umang. Umang has also been made available in assisted mode through the 3.75 lakh CSCs, and we launched Umang's international version in about more than 145 countries, and all the international students, tourists or Indians going abroad for tourism purpose, they can avail the government of India and state government services from wherever they are. And in addition, all suitable services, more than 100 services are available in the Kaios operating system, the Reliance Jio phones also. So currently Umang is having about 20,000 services. 442 are from the central government, 532 from the 28 states, and more than 19,000 are the utility bill payment service. Within a short period of its successful running, the Umang mobile app had got 4 major awards. The first was the Best M-Government Service Award at 6th World Government Summit held at Dubai, UAE in February 2018, IDC Digital Transformation Award, Digital India Jury Choice Award 2018-19, and DARPG Gold Award 2018-19 for excellence in providing citizen-centric services. In this presentation, we have divided services in various categories. For example, student, youth skills and employment, Indian culture, farmers, health, public grievances and citizen engagement, direct benefit transfer, women and children, transport, police and legal, Ministry of External Affairs, immigration services, general bill payment services, employees and pensioners. So friends, isn't it exciting to know that One Umang app has thousands of services from central government departments and many state government departments? For your convenience, we have created short videos on each category. Please view all videos and take benefit of many online government services.